Connect the water inlet and drain pipes. Connect the aviation plug on the polishing head and the power supply. Remove the oil-water separator and two connectors. Wrap waterproof tape around the connector threads. Connect the connector to the oil-water separator and tighten. Prevent air leaks. Remove the red cap. Install the pressure gauge and tighten. Connect air pipes to each end of the oil-water separator, with the end closest to the pressure gauge connected to the air source. Connect the other end to the polishing head. After ventilating, adjust the air pressure in the oil-water separator to approximately 0.6. Lock. Turn on the power switch. The air pressure on the grinding and polishing head should be between 0.1 and 0.2. This value is the factory setting. Release the emergency stop switch. Release the locking handle on the grinding and polishing head. Press the up button on the screen to raise the grinding and polishing head. Remove the water retaining ring. Attach the magnetic plate, quick plate, and sandpaper in order. Replace the water retaining ring. Attach the polishing cloth to the other plate in the same manner. Press the down button to lower the grinding and polishing head. Turn the locking handle. Secure the grinding and polishing head. Place the specimen in the inner hole of the holder. Forward or reverse sets the rotation direction of the grinding and polishing disc. Press the set button. Enter the setup program. Set the polishing time and the speed of the grinding and polishing head and disc. Press the start button to start the machine. Grind the workpiece. Open the water valve to cool the specimen. After polishing is complete, release the locking handle on the grinding and polishing head. Turn the grinding and polishing head to the side with the polishing cloth. Lock and polish the specimen.